Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to do NFC payment from Android. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Yes, I'm using an iPhone, but nonetheless I'll show you how to do it. So the first step is to go to your settings of your phone, and once you're inside your settings, there you'll find the option that says connected devices. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside connected devices, here you'll find an option that says connection preferences. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside here, you'll find the option that says NFC. Simply tap on that. Now if you have toggled off your NFC, then all you gotta do is just simply toggle it on, and then once you do that, require device unlock for NFCs, all you gotta do is just simply turn this on, or if you don't have this option, then simply don't turn it off, and then you'll be able to use your contactless payment option. Now first, what you need to do is simply install a digital wallet like Google Pay, and then add your card or link your bank card to it, and once that's done, you'll be getting this option. You'll be able to use this contactless payment option, and once you tap on it, there you can set your preferred payment method, either it be Google Pay or any other payment method, and with that you can do NFC payment method from your phone. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.